Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I cook delicious green plantain and sweet potato porridge. Everyone, juicy green plantain porridge, exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching and let's dive into it. So on a clean pot I transferred my already dry fish, then add chopped onions, seasoning, salt to taste, and fresh pepper and onions paste, and allow to simmer for 10 minutes on a low heat. After 10 minutes, I take a desirable stunning stick and mace to combine. Then after I will add chicken stock. You could use any chicken stock of your choice. The reason for this is to get that enough what stock to cook your delicious sweet potato and green plantain porridge. Then I add fish powder, crayfish, and some palm oil, and cover to heat on a medium flame for 20 minutes so everything blends together. So while that is aside, here is my already peeled green plantain. I'm using 6 fingers and 1 tuber of sweet potato. This will garnish it and give it nice flavor, delicious sweet potato. So after that I cut it off camera. This is how I dice it, super small, to give you that juicy sweet potato porridge, everyone. So after 20 minutes I will go in with my sweet potato first, and then with my already diced green plantain. Hello everyone, thanks so much Jenny subscribers for your wonderful support always. And if you're new, thanks for coming. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. If you've not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notification whenever new videos are updated on this channel. All right, stay connected, don't go away, keep watching and see how this juicy delicious green plantain porridge with sweet potato is made. Everyone, oh my dear friend, this is super delicious and very juicy. Your kids will also love it because it is not crunchy, but it is super delicious and very soft on everyone's mouth. So don't go away, keep watching. If you've watched my video up to this point, please consider subscribing and comment, like, and share my video to your friends and families. All right, so let's continue cooking, everyone. Don't go away, cook with me to the end, and don't forget to watch the ads. All right, so at this point I just stay to combine to make sure all seasoning gets into my sweet potato porridge. And here I'm adding my vegetable. I'm using ugu as my vegetable or pumpkin leaf. You could use any vegetable of your choice to garnish this delicious juicy green plantain porridge, everyone. So I will mix this on a low heat. I also add already cooked meat. You can use any one of your choice. So our green plantain, delicious juicy green plantain porridge with sweet potatoes is almost ready, everyone. Is ready to be served, everyone. All right, thanks so much Jenny subscribers for your wonderful support once again. Stay safe, stay connected, and see you in the next video, everyone. Bye for now. Yeah, bye for now.